Hello everybody, we're now going to night market again. We're done at the Tita Agot's house from Glenny, August Bayneta, and then we're going now to the night market. It's a little bit muddy and a little dark. Okay. No night market today. I thought there is a night market, but we're just gonna go to a restaurant. But there's no night market. We're covered by the rain. Okay. I'm gonna have a mukbang time later, right? And then
Isa daw. Dili lami ha? Yes, boss.
Hello. It's gonna be a fun day waiting. Right now here, just
Hello, good evening.
I'm just some people here. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna be back at mukbang for the mukbang time. And I'm just gonna be back, please. I'm just gonna be back soon. Bye.